Is your Phantom wallet acting like a ghost and disappearing on you? Don't worry, we're here to help you banish those frustrating errors in just 90 seconds. First things first, let's try clearing that browser cache. Head on over to your browser settings, usually in the top right corner, and look for Privacy and Security. You'll find an option to clear browsing data. Make sure Cached Images and Files is checked. Along with cookies could help. You can select a time range like last hour, last 24 hours, or all time, but selecting all time is recommended. Then hit Clear Data. If clearing the cache didn't do the trick, let's try reinstalling the Phantom Wallet extension. Navigate to your browser's extensions page. Find the Phantom Wallet extension and click Remove. Once it's gone, head over to the Phantom Wallet website and download the extension. Again, follow the installation prompts. Still having issues? It could be your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection by checking your Wi-Fi signal or trying a different network. Run a quick speed test to make sure your connection is fast enough. A slow or unstable connection can definitely cause wallet issues. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has brought your Phantom wallet back to life. If you're still running into trouble, check out the Phantom Wallet Help Center for more in-depth support, or drop a comment below, and we will help you get the issue resolved and fixed.